Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these curls using FLEXI rods on my natural hair. So first things first, I like to start off on dry hair that has been co-washed. And I like my hair to be dry when I start this process because I want length, and I feel like when you start on wet hair, it kind of shrinks up a lot. So the first thing I'm doing is sectioning off my hair. And I just section my hair off. I section it off into 4 sections, and then from the 4 sections I split those sections up into smaller sections. So I use about medium-sized sections. Now I'm just dampening my hair. Now I like to use this moisture milk from Camille's Naturals and the Almond dry twisting butter. These two work really well together, and I use a little bit of the milk first, and then I apply some of the twisting butter. Just apply it onto my hair, and then I detangle with a diamond brush. Even though my hair is already detangled, I just want to make sure that it's smooth. And then I'm rolling the FLEXI rod up the hair. I roll until the ends are covered, and then I don't really know how to explain this motion. Twist the FLEXI rod up my hair, and I do this same process throughout my entire head. So then the next day, it's time to take them down, and I apply some sweet almond oil to my fingers. I didn't show it here, but it is on my fingers, just so that I'm not causing any excess frizz when I'm taking down the FLEXI rods. And I just do this throughout my entire head until they're out, and this leaves you with a really pretty, shiny, bouncy curl that just needs to be separated so you can have a bomb hairstyle. Then it's time to separate those curls. So I just go curl by curl, and I let the hair kind of naturally separate wherever it naturally wants to. I don't try to force separating the curls, because then you cause extra frizz that you don't need on the first day. After the first day, your hair will get a lot bigger, so you don't have to overly separate on the first day. Once I'm done separating my hair, it's time to fluff it out, and I like to use a pick. You can use a wide tooth comb or your fingers, but I just think the pick really helps to get all those parts out that you had when you styled your hair to begin with. And I like my hair to be a little voluminous, so the pick comes in real handy. And as you can see, I'm not disrupting the curls, I'm just going into the roots to get volume at the roots, not on the curl. And that's it. The style is finished, and this style lasts me about a week. And you can always mix it up, put your hair up in a half up, half down. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.